And guys, good morning to everyone. This is my first week in Singapore. And as you can see guys, every morning dito guys, no? Anong oras na is alas 9 na guys. Pero ang kwan ng environment guys is sa atin parang alas 5 pa lang siya, no? So hindi po guys yung saan nanggagaling po yung init dito po guys sa Singapore, sa sa lupa, no? Sa ground. Ayan. So so kasi guys sa lahat ng building dito guys may kanya-kanya silang park, gym. Nasa lang siya guys, nasa vicinity of the building. So napakaganda at saka lahat guys yan is free, no? Free to everyone na gamitin guys. So number one dito guys, no? Gaya niya nasa Hougang Avenue 8 po tayo. Iilan lang po guys yung street tsaka avenue. Just like ng Hougang. Meron pong Hougang Avenue 1 and up to Sandal Street. Iba rin po yung street guys. So ayan. At saka guys, rito guys, napakalinis, very po guys, very convenient po yung natin, no? So pupunta natin to guys, napunta tayo na Sunday pero hindi natin nalibot itong Merlion. So pupuntahan din natin yan guys. So ito muna ang ating pong vlog for today's video guys, and have a blessed day po sa ating lahat. Thank you.